Welcome to Tanks Invest. We're talking about investing, finance, and professional development. That's a recording time of 5:42 p.m. on Eastern Time. Ethereum contract $3,106, about 1.13% so far. As you can see clearly on the overall crypto market, we're kind of a mixed bag at the moment. But collectively speaking, I would say on average we're relatively flat to down at the moment. But this is just another reason to see that the technical is speaking the truth. And I'll dive into the reason why that is. Today on a media front, there isn't anything specific that's peeking out beside just some of the earnings call that's happening today. Obviously, as you see in the aftermarket hours, Chipotle has reported Q4 earnings. It seems like it has definitely beat Wall Street expectation, and it's currently up about 6.5% in aftermarket hours, trading around $1,555. I actually had Chipotle for dinner last night, and actually put double guac and also double meat at the same time. So it was relatively delicious. Chipotle is one of my favorite food. Not that has any reasons to see why the stock is surging. But I'm happy to dive into technicals if this is something of your interest. I'm happy to take a look at the risk management level to identify as well if you follow on my Patreon updates. And beside that, the next foreshadow news that we need to look out for is with respect to obviously the CPI report that's coming out in 48 hours on Thursday morning, 8:30 a.m. on the Eastern Time. So tomorrow we might see some anticipated pressure to see how that goes from here. And ultimately, no one can predict what the CPI report will come out to be. We can have our speculations, and I know Wall Street has its own mark. I think it's 7.2% on an inflationary perspective. So if we are aligned on that mark, we should technically drive another bullish trend. But the technical, does that speak the same correlation? Let's take a look at it, shall we? Respect to recording time of 5:44 p.m. on the Eastern Time, Ethereum contract $3,106, about 1.15% so far. And I just posted the Patreon buy sell alerts about 20 minutes ago, so feel free to take a read to make sure that you guys are exercising your options, obviously your investment options accordingly. Hopefully the risk management level makes sense. There are some selective crypto and stocks that you should be watching out for, which I've laid out on the list, so feel free to take a read at. So right now on Ethereum, we are basically $50 below the 3,150. The next level will technically go back down to be the 2,853 if we break the level that we at right now. Obviously, the 3,000 will be the next one, but the 3,000 again, we know, right? That's not a real number. It's a flat number. The real technical level is 2,853. And I think we have a high propensity to go down than go up from here because of the fact that we're relatively overbought at 57 out of 70 at the moment. Bitcoin's at 44 right now. You can see that clearly we're lingering on at the consolidator level. This is exact level that we have identified, so not a surprise that while we're testing this level at the moment, we are at the 64 out of 70, so very overbought. Would I be buying now? No, I'll just hold right now. I wouldn't really be incurring risk at the moment. With respect to Dogecoin right now, it's down about 4.6%, 15.77 right now. I like anywhere from 14.18 all the way to 12 cents from here. Cardano is now about 3% right now. I like anywhere from 102 to 92 from here with the 50 out of 70 right now. Solana is now about 4.24%. I like anywhere from basically, again, right, 95 all the way to 80. I do have 20 Solana in my portfolio right now. I would not suggest buying now. I'll wait until we come back down to the more identified level. XRP is down up about 1.57%. And with respect to current level, I would not suggest buying now. I'll wait until we come back down again, right, to the 62 to 57 from here. Polkadot down about 4% at 2160 right now. I like anywhere from the, basically, as we get to the 18 all the way to 1587 from here with the 50 out of 70. Algorand's at 101 right now. I like anywhere from basically 96 all the way to 79 from here with the 43 out of 70. Shiba Inu is down about 5.5% at the moment. I like anywhere from basically low 2000s all the way to 1400 to 900. Those are the respective DCA levels, as we know. Polygon's down about 4.6%. At the moment, I like anywhere from basically 143 to 120. I really do not like this. This is very, very flash crashy. if that's a word even. But you get what I mean. A lot of whale manipulations in play. I definitely do not recommend this unless there's a glitch on this platform, but I don't think that's the case because I looked into other platforms. It shows a similar pattern. So 143 to 120 is still a more tolerable level for me. AVAX down about 3% right now. Anywhere from 59 to 50 is still better level at the 57, so almost 60 out of 70, so not the ideal level. And with respect to Luna, down about 4.5% so far. Again, 62, 52 to 45. We are basically a little bit above 52, about to touch 62, so we're lingering in between right now. So I prefer to be buying at 52 to 45 from below, at the 45 out of 70 right now. So that's it really for today with respect to the technical analysis. I wasn't planning on doing a third one, but I felt like with the volatility that we're seeing or foreshadowing coming up, it just makes sense to reframe ourselves to not make any rational decisions. So hopefully it makes sense on the DCA levels, and obviously with respect to the buy sell alert updates, it's already updated, so let me know if you have any questions for my Patreon members. And thank you again for your support, and thank you again for your friendship. Really, I really appreciate you for following me and listening in on every day basis. You guys are slowly becoming my family, and I definitely appreciate it. So have a good night, have a good Tuesday, and I'll see you later. Take care. Bye.